It started with a simple idea to bring something pure, something powerful. A vision born from nature's strength, fueled by a desire to break the mold, to create more than a company, driven by a passion for change. We're not just starting a business. We're starting a revolution. Are you ready? In a world where everything is constantly changing, one thing remains clear: the old ways of network marketing no longer work. The industry is stuck, weighed down by overpriced products and commissions that don't reflect the true value of your efforts. As we enter 2025, people are demanding more. They want value, convenience, and fairness. At Seacrest Inc., we are not just responding to these changes, we are leading the charge. We are breaking away from outdated models, introducing a revolutionary approach that redefines what network marketing can be. Imagine a product line that is not only affordable, but packed with the essential nutrients your body needs. Our seaweed-based products offer an unparalleled nutritional profile, addressing the deficiencies that so many people face today. But this is about more than just products. It's about changing lives. We've made network marketing simple and powerful. No more aggressive selling, no more high-pressure tactics. With Seacrest, you get your own personalized website and landing page, complete with presentation videos, making it easier than ever to share what you love. And the best part? Products are delivered right to your customers' doors. This is network marketing reinvented. We believe in rewarding those who work hard. Our compensation plan is one of the most generous in the industry, ensuring that our members are truly valued and rewarded. At Seacrest Inc., we are more than just a company. We are a movement. A movement that puts people first, that believes in fairness, and that is dedicated to creating real change. This is not just the future of network marketing. This is the future we are building together. Join us and be a part of something bigger. Seacrest Inc., shifting the paradigm, changing the game.
It's a good day today. It rains, so it means we have a blessing from God for the opening of Seagrass. And hopefully we can have a good working relationship. And I hope your business again will flourish.
Good evening. We are here today at Seacrest Ventures Incorporated launch. I'm graced with the presence of Mr. Jericho Irinko. I would like to hear a few things from him, but this is one question I would like to hear from him. How does it feel to be here at the grand launch of Seacrest Ventures Incorporated?
Oh my God. Actually, ma'am, I'm so excited. By the way, for those who are know me yet, my full name is Jericho Ininko, and I'm all the way from Bicolanja. So from Bicol to Manila and to Cebu. No, so it's a great experience to be here. Seacrest is gonna be it's an official day today to launch this amazing opportunity of a lifetime for everyone. So actually, hindi talaga matatawaran yung nararamdaman ko ngayon to be part of this very historical event tonight.
Thank you, Jericho. We are all excited indeed.
Hi, Sir Edmar. Good evening. Yeah, I just would like to know, what excites you most about the future of Seacrest Incorporated after tonight's event?
I think what I excite me the most after this tonight's event is I can point it into words. That is change lives. I know that after this event, there's lots of people who are going to fulfill their dreams because they joined Citrus. And I know that Citrus Company will continue to uplift Filipino lives. And I'm so excited to be part of this great company.
I totally agree. That was really the perfect answer for us. Enjoy your night, sir. Hi, good evening, Sir Edmar. How are you today?
I'm very excited towards our event.
That's great. That's great. And where are you from, sir, if I may ask?
I am from Imus Cavite.
Oh, that's kind of far. So you flew in just for this event?
Yes, yes.
Wonderful. And I just wonder, um, what are, what are the things that you would like to achieve with Seacrest in the future?
Of course, I'm looking forward for greater success and the stability. I'm also looking forward for the betterment of our fellow Filipinos, financial stability, their condition, and I am looking forward to the long-term growth and seeing how far we can go together.
Well, that's perfect. That's good because you're not just thinking of yourself, and in this part, you're also thinking of the wealth. I mean, the growth and the financial growth of some other Filipinos. Thank you so much, and good luck. Good luck. Enjoy your evening, sir. Thank you, sir.
Makita nyo ba tayo na isa po ako sa isa po sa ako sa mga testimonies ko dito po sa CITES na ito, pinusukan niyo po or nakikita niyo po right now company is sobrang dito. So let us build our future with Seekers. Together we will achieve heights we have never imagined before. Maraming salamat, Seekers family. Nung nakita ko si Seekers, first time, pumunta ko sa office, naniniwala na ako sa love ng isa. Kasi napakaganda ng nakita kong picture ng lahat ng pag-join at pagiging activities. Sabi ko kasi, I saw the comp plan as totally close to perfect. Ito na yung hinahanap natin compensation plan that will last at least during our lifetime. So huwag ka nang magdalawang isip no, sa pag-join. Ito, simula pa lang itong mga ganitong event, mga activities, mga recognition. But, what is more important is how many Filipino lives will be changed because of this great opportunity. And I hope you will go with us, and you will grow with us, and we will propagate and tell the message of this good news that Secret is already around.
We have just witnessed an incredible achievement of our top performers, who in just 1 month as members of Seekers have brought in nearly 1,000 members. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being through thick and thin and for sharing this great vision for this company. And of course, to our staff and running the back office. And of course, to all our growing Seacrest family, maraming salamat sa tiwala. Trust is the cornerstone of our journey. Together, and we will value you more than anything else. A new market needs a new player. The player is now on it. Once again, welcome to Seacrest Inc. Welcome home. Guys, madaming gwapo at magaganda. Ang ganda ng posisyon ni Coach Nene, nasa right side, Mr. Robert. Ang corporate to! Boy, Seacrest!
Nakaka-nervyos pero gusto ko ma-experience. Bigat ko kasi.
For Presidential Director Ron!
Ayan, hello everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So, naririnig po ba ako? So, we have 44 participants this evening. So, hello po sa inyong lahat. So, if naririnig po ako, please type number 2. Ayan, thank you so much everyone. Sige. So, anyway, it's 8:20. So ngayon bibigyan ko po kayo ng ng ilang minutes para mag-spread po ng link sa mga clients nyo. So inform your clients, guests, invites na pumasok na po sila dito sa Zoom affiliate discussion po natin ngayong gabi. Okay? So ayan, okay? So while waiting po sa ibang clients natin na makapasok po ngayong gabi, pwede ko po bang malaman kung taga saan po yung mga participants natin, and also sino-sino po dito yung mga first timers natin. Okay, wag po kayong mahiya. Spread the link everyone. And hello po Ma'am Evelyn, good evening. From Team Hero Kuwait. Ayan, hello po Sir Alan Quijano, UAE, Abu Dhabi. So yung iba po dito, taga saan po yung ibang participants po natin. Good evening sa magandang coach. Kaya hello po Coach Alex, good evening. So ayan, hello Sir PJ from Tarlac, Ma'am Fepino from Lapu-Lapu City, Sir Tirso. Good evening sa invite ko, Miss Lai. Ayan. Sir Frank Samar from Pangasinan. So as you can see, ang maganda po dito sa business na i-share ko po sa inyo ngayong gabi, kahit sang sulok po kayo ng mundo, no? Since we're expanding globally, pwede nyo pong gawin si Seacrest. And yan, di ba? Hello po Ma'am Rodora. From Davao and Cotabato. I am here in Sweden. Ayan, welcome to Seacrest, Ma'am. Ma'am Lisa Tampos, good evening din po from Norway. Yan. Sir from Kuwait. Okay? Wait lang, I think. Nawala ata ako. Okay, ready na po ba lahat? Okay, tatanggalin ko na lang yung ano ko. Yung AirPods ko. Yes, ready na. Okay, I think naririnig lang ba ako kahit wala po akong AirPods? So if ready na po lahat, please type number 2 and magsisimula na po tayo. Okay, so ayan, thank you so much everyone. So actually guys, no, today is Tuesday. So pumasok na po ba sa inyo lahat ng monthly income nyo? So congratulations po sa lahat ng mga affiliates po natin na pumasok na po yung income nila sa sarili nila, sa personal accounts nyo, no? So which is, that's our monthly passive income. Yan, congratulations kay Coach JM. So right now we have 48 participants. So let's start everyone, no, para ma-share na po natin yung magandang opportunity. Maybe yung iba po dito curious na, ma'am, ano po ba yung sinasabi yung monthly income or the monthly passive income? So malalaman nyo po later on. Kasi dito po everyone, no, kahit wala po kayong ginagawa, as long as ginagawa mo si Seacrest, sure po yung income nyo dito, which is yan po yung maganda dito. If nag-aaral ka man, nagnenegosyo ka man, nagtratrabaho ka man, ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan mo right now, as long as you're willing and interested, pwede po kayong kumita dito sa opportunity natin. Okay, so ngayon, since ready na po lahat, no, ayusin ko lang po yung presentation natin. Saglit lang. Ayan, nakikita po ba yung presentation ko, everyone? So if nakikita po and loud and clear lang po ako, please type number 3. Ayan, thank you so much everyone. Sige, magsisimula na po tayo. Even ako, no, excited po akong i-share sa inyo yung magandang opportunity po natin ngayong gabi. Okay, so anyway, before po tayo mag-start, magpapakilala po muna ako ng maayos sa inyong lahat. I am Coach Kyra T. Salonga. I'm one of the affiliate po dito sa company natin. So I'm doing Seacrest full-time. So isa po ako sa pioneer dito sa company natin. Actually, yes, all of us is pioneer po dito. So even yung mga clients po natin ngayong gabi, pag nagustuhan nyo po yung business, isa po kayo sa mako-consider as one of the pioneer. Alam naman po natin, no, na lahat po ng kumikita ng malalaki na sa pioneer. Okay, ngayon, simulan na po natin yung discussion natin, okay? So, I suggest sa lahat po ng clients natin, please, no, tapusin po natin yung presentation. Nasa 1 hour lang naman po, 40 minutes to 1 hour lang naman po ito, no? So, at least, maybe this opportunity, makakatulong po ito sa inyo para mag-generate po ng income. And also, if you have questions and clarifications po later, wag po kayong mahiyang magtanong. Okay? So, ayan, no, ano po ba si Seacrest? So, we are the fastest growing membership subscription in Southeast Asia. So maganda po dito sa business natin, all legalities kompleto po tayo. So disclaimer everyone, Seacrest is not an investment, insurance or crypto trading company. Please do your own research, okay? So next naman po, before ko po i-share talaga sa inyo yung company, ipapakilala ko po muna sa inyo yung ipapakilala ko po muna sa inyo yung founders natin. So they are Filipino-Chinese businessman. So sila dalawa po is magkapatid, okay? Sir Juston, he's the founder and the CEO. Actually, he's an architect by profession. Yung kapatid niya naman po, si Sir Jiron Kyle Ang, he's the Chief Finance Officer and also the founder. No, so Sir Jiron naman po, he's a civil engineer by profession. When we say Chinese, syempre yung nasa isip natin mga negosyante. Pero maganda naman po sa kanila guys, before po sila nagpatayo ng sarili nilang business, no? Before po sila nagpatayo ng sarili nilang business, is sila mismo is meron na pong experience sa ganitong industry decades na. And yung office po natin is located in Velwano Center, Commercial Building, MC Briones, Mandawi City, Cebu Province. Kailan ba nag-start yung company natin? Nag-launch po yung company natin noong September 17, 2024. Okay? So ngayon naman po, we are the pioneers, okay? Ayan. Our mission is to transform people, health, and wealth with innovative seaweed-based product, helping them save money and achieve success. Napakaganda po ng mission ng company natin. So sabi nga po ng CEO natin, the days of paying overpriced membership and products without value are over. So don't waste your spending. It's time to make a change, okay? So ngayon naman po, in terms of legalities, all papers, kompleto po tayo. We are recognized by the SEC, BIR, and FDA. Seacrest Inc. is the fastest growing membership company in the Philippines, dedicated to educating people about the incredible benefit of seaweeds. Okay, so kompleto po tayo sa legalities. SEC registered po yung company natin, which is that's very important. That's the proof na legit and legal po yung company natin. And also, we are BIR certified, complete business permits, and also yung mga skincare products po ng company natin is tawag doon, skincare products po ng FDA approved, okay? So ngayon naman po, ayan, so bakit Seacrest yung pangalan ng company natin? Because this is a seaweed company. Okay, so lahat po ng products natin all seaweed infused. So bakit seaweed? Seaweed are the one of the most abundant superfood on the planet. So they are a powerhouse of nutrition and skin best friend. So we have affordable and effective product for daily wellness and health support. So ngayon, actually, the reason why bakit seaweed po yung product natin, madami na pong researches about seaweeds. Yun nga lang, dito sa Philippines, hindi lang po siya nabigyan ng importansya, okay, or ng pansin. Hindi lang po nabigyan ng pansin yung seaweeds kasi dito po sa Philippines hindi po tayo na-educate talaga about seaweeds, or yung knowledge po natin about seaweeds hindi po ganon kalalim or hindi po ganon ka-deep. Okay? Ngayon, meron po iba't ibang klaseng seaweeds. Meron pong 1,200 types of seaweeds. Meron po tayong green, brown, and red seaweeds. Yung usually po na nakikita po natin sa Philippines, that's green seaweeds. Okay? So ngayon naman po, that's green seaweeds, okay? So ngayon naman po, papakita ko po sa inyo ano yung mga seaweeds na ginamit sa mga products natin. Since all products po natin, seaweed infused, okay? Ibig sabihin, may halong seaweeds or gawa po sa seaweeds. Simulan po natin dito sa trending products natin, which is the crispy seaweed chips. Yung chips po natin, guys, 100% natural seaweed po siya. And also, ang ginamit po dito is Himalayan salt. We all know that the Himalayan salt is the healthiest salt on earth. And aside from that, no preservatives po siya. That's why even mga bata, pwedeng-pwede po sa kanila kasi healthy po yung chips natin. So ang ginamit naman po na seaweed dito is nori seaweed, which is it contains 92 minerals or 92 bioavailable nutrients. Okay, isa din po yan sa fun fact dito sa seaweeds natin kasi yung human body po, kaya seaweed siya, kasi yung human body po kailangan po natin ng 103 bioavailable nutrients. Now if you put 93 to 103, halos na suffice na po ng seaweeds yung minerals, nutrients na kailangan po ng body natin. That's why considered po ang seaweed as the most powerful plant on earth, okay? So rich in antioxidant din po siya. great source of omega-3 and fatty acids. So yung SRP po ng chips natin is 149 pesos. Ngayon naman po, next naman po natin is the kelp seaweed. Yan po yung ginamit na seaweed sa lotion and sabon natin. So unahin naman po natin yung lotion. Yung lotion po natin guys, hindi lang po siya nakafocus sa whitening and moisturizing. Nakafocus po siya sa sun protection. Napakataas po ng sun protection nito kasi meron po itong SPF 60 PE++ and napakadami po nitong active ingredients like niacinamide, glutathione, collagen, centella asiatica, hyaluronic acid, diba? And madami pa pong iba. Actually, napakasulit na po nito kasi 250 ml na siya. Then, 349 pesos lang po yung SRP nito. Yung sabon naman po natin, napaka-unique din po nito kasi yes, kelp seaweed din po yung ginamit dito, which is yung raw materials na kelp seaweed is in-import pa po ito sa South Korea. We all know that sa South Korea, sikat po talaga sila sa skincare. Actually, one of the common ingredients po sa product nila is meron po talagang seaweed. Okay? So ngayon, ano yung pinagkaiba ng sabon natin sa market? Okay? All-in-one na po siya. Okay? So meron na po siyang niacinamide, collagen, glutathione, centella asiatica, kojic acid. Basically, lahat po ng mga active ingredients na hinahanap po natin sa iba't ibang product nandito na po sa isang sabon. Okay? So that's why napakasulit na for only 179 pesos, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng iba't ibang product. And yung seaweed po is meron po siyang tinatawag na synergistic effect, which is it can double or triple the effect of the active ingredients. That's why napaka-effective po ng products natin. And yan, boost glutathione, anti-inflammatory, rich in vitamins and minerals. Next naman po natin is the Skin Supreme. Ito po yung pinakabagong product natin, collagen and glutathione. From the word itself, skin hydration, it hydrates our skin. Okay? So napakasulit na po nito kasi 750 milligrams na po siya and hindi nyo na po kailangan bumili ng collagen and glutathione. Ang ginawa po ng company natin, pinag-isa na siya. Sabi ko nga po, yung seaweed is meron po siyang synergistic effect which is it can double and triple the effect of the active ingredients. So kaya niyo pong doblehin yung effect ng glutathione and collagen. That's why mas effective po siya. Yan. Ang ginamit na seaweed dito is Irish moss, support metabolism, help balance hormones, support hair, skin, and joints, rich in antioxidant. So, ang SRP po nito is 1,249 pesos. Okay? Next naman po natin, meron po tayong dalawang variety po ng coffee. Okay? First po is the Sea Health Coffee. So, sa Sea Health Coffee, ang ginamit na seaweed dito is dull seaweed. Help improve vision, aid in digestive system, remove toxic heavy metals and radiations, and it helps our heart and gut health. Napaka-importante po na alagaan po natin yung mga puso natin and also yung tiyan po natin. Sabi nga nila, if you feel better, you eat better. Okay? So yung SRP po nito or the suggested retail price is 488 pesos. French vanilla po yung flavor nito. Next naman po natin, the Skin Radiance Coffee. So, 388 pesos po yung suggested retail price po nito. From the word itself, slim and shine, okay? So, if you want to maintain your body, gusto mo magpapayat, pero gusto mo din mag-glow, pero addict ka sa coffee, then you should try the Skin Radiance Coffee. Yung flavor po nito is caramel macchiato. Yung seaweed po na ginamit dito is bloody rock seaweed. That's another type of seaweed. And syempre, meron din po itong Japanese collagen. That's why napaka-effective po siya pampaglow, di ba? Aid in weight loss, bloating, and cramp relief, skin and health and heart health, improve digestion. Okay, so far yan pa lang po yung mga products na meron po tayo. Okay, sooner or later, madami pa pong ila-launch ng mga products yung company natin. Syempre, mga household essentials. Sooner or later, all seaweed infused po yan, i-release din po yan ng company natin. Ngayon, ang pinakamaganda po dito sa company natin, guys, hindi po bayad yung mga testimonies natin. Lahat po yan organic. Ibig sabihin, yung mga gumagamit po ng products natin, pabalik-balik. Kasi sila mismo, they are satisfied po sa effect ng product natin. Ganyan po effective yung product natin, mapas chips, lotion, kape, even the glutathione. Imagine in just 2 weeks, and even yung kape natin, in just 2 weeks na sold out po tayo. Kaka-restock lang po ng mga products natin. So, that's the proof na fast moving po yung mga products natin. Ngayon, why choose us? Okay? We have the unique advocacy, okay? So we have the unique advocacy. So yung advocacy po ng company natin is to help and educate yung mga kapwa Filipino natin about seaweeds, okay? So we are the first SEC registered membership subscription in the Philippines, made for overall wellness, dedicated to crafting premium seaweed infused product for health, beauty, and household essential. So we value your spending as we value your health, okay? So ngayon naman po, what is membership and subscription? Anyway, guys, Seacrest is a membership and subscription company, okay? Unlike to traditional networking or direct selling company, this is the trending way of marketing, okay? It's not just a membership, it's a gateway to financial flexibility and better lifestyle, okay? So, we make loyal customers enjoy every money they spend, okay? So, ang example po nito guys, sa ang example po natin dito sa membership. Example na lang po natin SNR, Healthy Options, Landers. So, dito, members pay membership fee to get discount, promos, and savings. Actually, that's the reason bakit tayo nagpapa-member, di ba? Kasi kahit anong company yung mag-o-offer sa atin, i-grab talaga natin pag malaki yung discount, lalo na pag user tayo. Pinaka-common example po dyan yung SNR, Landers, and the Healthy Options, di ba? So, next naman po natin, subscription. Alam niyo po ba yung subscription? Familiar po ba lahat sa subscription? So check ko ha, familiar ba lahat sa subscription? If familiar, please type 1. If not familiar, please type 2. Okay, para malaman ko if nakikinig ba yung mga affiliates natin. Familiar lahat, okay? So ngayon, what is subscription? It's a recurring payment. Ibig sabihin, paulit-ulit po kayo nagbabayad. It depend na lang kung monthly ba yan, annually, or quarterly. Ang pinaka-example po nito, Anytime Fitness, gym po yan, Netflix, PLDT. PLDT, actually, yung tubig, kuryente po natin, guys, consider po yan as subscription. Bakit? Pag hindi po kayo nagbayad, mapuputulan po ba kayo or hindi? Mapuputulan, di ba? Kaya yung tubig, kuryente, wifi po natin, yan po yung pinaka-common example po ng subscription, pero hindi lang po tayo aware. Bakit? Kailangan po kasi natin. Actually, yung subscription po, guys, is considered po siya as expenses. Masasabi po natin siyang expenses pag hindi po siya natin nagagamit or na-maximize. Example na lang po natin, Netflix, di ba? Example na lang po natin, Anytime Fitness, nag-gym ka. Hindi ka naman nag-gym everyday. So that's considered as expenses pag hindi mo siya nagagamit, hindi mo siya na-maximize. Okay? Yan, subscribers pay monthly to get exclusive access and services for personal use, which is that's the old way. Ngayon, ang ginawa po ng company natin, kinumbine po yung membership and subscription, okay? Members pay monthly subscription to get exclusive access, services, discount, rewards, savings, free health and beauty products. And ang maganda po dito kay Seacrest, guys, yes, nagpa-member ka. Isang beses ka lang magpapa-member, isang beses ka lang maglalabas ng puhunan, and all you have to do is just maintain your monthly subscription. So every time you pay your subscription, you will get a product and also kikita ka. That's why income, okay? Meron kang kinikita every time you pay your subscription. Ngayon, the advantage of our business, this is the advantage of our business compared to other businesses, okay? We have the unique flagship products. With seaweed as a versatile superfood, market is wide. With over million of possible user for household, yan, sabi ko nga po kanina, sooner or later, magre-release po yung company natin ng mga household essential products, okay? And dito, paano ba makapag-start dito kay Seacrest? Ito yung good news ko sa inyo. For as low as 998 pesos, people can start making money online, anytime, anywhere, without spending too much. Imagine, 998 pesos lang, pwede ka na makapagsimula ng sarili mong negosyo. Pwede ka nang kumita kahit saan, kahit saan, kahit saang sulok ng mundo ka man. And we have the market trend. Alam naman po natin, one of the main reason or one of the common problem po natin, lalong-lalo na po dito sa Pilipinas, is inflation. Ngayon, because of inflation, 'di ba, the single source of income is not enough. Pag nagtatrabaho ka, usually yung napapansin natin, yung mga nagtatrabaho, naghahanap pa ng extra income, additional income. Bakit? Because of inflation. Tumataas po yung bilihin natin, pero yung income po natin hindi umaakyat. That's why, instead of maghanap po ng malaking trabaho, salary ng mga trabaho, naghahanap na lang po tayo ng another basket para doon kumuha ng another source of income, which is this opportunity is open for all. Imagine you can start for only 998 pesos. So dito even yung mga overpriced membership companies, hindi na po siya practical nowadays. Yung mga overpriced product, hindi na po siya practical. So kung napansin niyo po dito sa mga products na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, yung mga products po natin, affordable lang po siya, premium quality in a factory price. Ibig sabihin, kalidad po yung mga product natin, pero pangmasa po yung presyo. Kahit sino, kaya lang po bumili ng product natin. Now, we value your spending same as we value your health. Okay? So, how to start? Paano makapag-start dito kay Seacrest? So, it comes with one-time membership. Ibig sabihin, isang beses ka lang maglalabas ng puhunan and this is your lifetime business, and meron kang makukuha na 1-month subscription and free shipping nationwide. Okay? So ito po yung mga packages natin. So I highly encourage everyone na if meron naman po kayong budget, then go for VIP package. Yan po yung best package natin. Sabi nga nila, kung gusto mong kumita, gusto mo naman magseryoso sa isang negosyo, doon ka na sa pinakasulit. Kasi usapang negosyo everyone, 9996, sobrang liit nito. Okay? So, I agree naman siguro sa mga nakikinig ngayon ng mga clients natin. Maybe some of you, kung makikita nyo na yung VIP, premium, standard, pwede siyang malaki if usapang gastos po. Pero we're talking about business. Okay? If gusto nyo naman kumita ng malaki dito, then go for the best package, which is the VIP package. Pero don't worry, hindi ko naman po kayo pinipilit na mag-VIP. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo na mas maganda talaga to start to VIP kasi isang beses lang naman po kayo maglalabas ng puhunan. Okay? And if meron naman po kayong budget, so why not you start to standard package. So ano yung pinagkaiba ng apat na package natin? Dito yung benefit na makukuha nyo dito, exclusive membership access, get complete online tools, free trainings and support, travel incentives, promos and discounts, rewards and commission. Ang pinagkaiba naman po ng mga packages natin, same lifetime discount except sa starter, okay? Drop shipping services local and international, different income rates based on packages. Ibig sabihin, the higher the package you avail, the higher the commission, the higher the income. Okay? And upgradable po yung mga packages natin anytime. So, dito, let's say you start sa standard. Pag nag-start ka sa standard, you can upgrade your package, just add the difference. No hidden charges, no additional charges. Okay? So, fully nasundan nyo lang po ako. Okay? So, next naman po natin, ano ba yung sinasabi na subscription? Since Seacrest is a subscription company, ang maganda po dito, we have the affordable subscription. Support your team and business once a month. Actually, dito po, shipping fee and merchant fee is not yet included, but it will be computed upon checkout. So, ibig sabihin, yung babayaran nyo lang po dito, yung subscription lang po talaga natin is 498 pesos per month. Ngayon, pag malayo po kayo, meron pa po yung shipping fee, okay? But don't worry, ano ba yung benefit na makukuha nyo dito pag nag-subscribe kayo kay Seacrest? This is not mandatory. When we say it's not mandatory, hindi po kayo pipilitin ng company na mag-subscribe, pero ako po yung mag-e-explain sa inyo bakit importante yung subscription natin. Sa 498 nyo guys, this will secure your position. Pag na-secure nyo kasi yung position nyo guys, dyan papasok yung monthly dividend or your monthly passive income. Okay? And this this will activate your tools, yung mga kitaan po natin. Pangatlo, this will activate your commission. Ibig sabihin, mas malaki po yung pwede nyong kitain. And lastly, every time you pay your monthly subscription or the 498, you will get a product of your choice. Pili ka lang. Pwedeng 2 chips, 2 sabon, 1 lotion, or 1 kape. So it's up to you. Ngayon, yung product na makukuha nyo, pwede nyo po siyang ibenta or pwede nyo po siyang gamitin. Okay? Naintindihan lang po ba yung 498 natin? Kung andyan pa po kayo, if naintindihan lang, please type yes. Okay? Check natin kung baka natutulog na kayo. Yan. Thank you. Napaka-active naman ni Ma'am Maria. Okay? So next naman po natin, everyone, is the 1-year subscription. Diba? Sayang everyone, no? Kasi kakatapos lang po ng promo natin about the subscription. Pero eto, bakit ko kayo ini-encourage na if you have budget, meron ka namang pera, siseryosohin mo naman si Seacrest, gagawin mo naman pala yung negosyo, gusto mong kumita ng malaki dito. So why not you go sa 1-year subscription? At least isang beses ka lang maglalabas ng pang-subscribe mo. So ano yung benefit pala pag nag 1-year subscription kami, Miss Kyra? You just need to pay 5,976. 1 year na po yan, okay? So ibig sabihin big savings. Bakit sinabi na big savings? Kasi isang beses ka lang maglalabas ng shipping fee, lahat ng products mo for 1 year makukuha mo na. Can be assorted products. Next, passive income for 1 year. Imagine, gagawin mo na lang na negosyo mo, wala ka nang problemahin, peace of mind every year. So, dito papasok yung gagawin mo na lang yung negosyo, hindi mo na problemahin yung subscription mo. Okay? Actually, no, pag nag-start kayo ng business, it's given na kailangan natin seryosohin yung negosyo. Saan ba kayo nakakakita ng negosyo na hindi sineseryoso? Okay? So, dito pa lang guys, the reason why bakit namin share yung opportunity sa inyo, syempre, para makumita din kayo, okay? At least, sa maliit na puhunan, pwede po kayong kumita ng malaki. That's the advantage of subscription business. Okay? So, yan po yung pinagkaiba ng dalawang subscription natin. You can go sa per month or you can go sa 1 year. Anyway, pwede naman po kayo mag 3 months, 6 months. It's up to you kung magkano po yung budget nyo. Ang pinaka-importante lang po dito, i-maintain nyo lang po yung monthly subscription nyo. Okay? So, gets lang po ba ako? Naintindihan lang po ba ako? Nagigets lang po ba? If nagets po ako, please type number 1. Ayan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sani, Ma'am Belma, sa lahat po ng nakikipag-interact. Okay? So ngayon, na-discuss ko na po sa inyo yung company profile natin, yung products natin, napakilala ko na po sa inyo yung founders natin, even the legalities nakita nyo na. That's the proof na totoong-totoo po si Seacrest. Okay? Ngayon naman po, paano ba kami kikita dito, Miss Kyra? Paano ba gawin si Seacrest? We have the 6 ways to earn, okay? Meron tayong 6 na paraan paano kikita dito kay Seacrest. So, syempre, first is dropshipping profit. Second is the faster commission. Pangatlo, subscription bonus. Pang-apat, matching bonus. Pang-5, product rebates. And pang-6 is company sales share. Pero guys, dito sa part na to, is hindi na po ako yung magdi-discuss dito. Okay? Syempre, I'm thankful na nakinig kayo sa first part and naintindihan nyo yung first part. Naintindihan po yung first part. If nag-gets lang po, naintindihan po yung first part natin, please type 3, number 3, okay? Kung